Meh. 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 Hey guys, well, you just seen those does. Unfortunately, they wandered off into the woods before I could shoot. I got them to stop, and the blood didn't start immediately, but definitely hit one, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be dead, because there's blood everywhere, and I think I see white right above me. But, let's track. I'm using the old 30-06. I'm hunting public ground right now, actually. It's a little, I was hunting over a little roadway along state game lands, like an access road to fields, hunting in between it, so. Alright guys, I found where she stood where I hit her. A whole bunch of white hairs here. Makes you think it was a bad shot, until you look right there and just see a path of blood. So I went back to where First Blood was because I wanted to see where she stood when I hit her, and I found a whole bunch of hair on the ground. She didn't start bleeding till about 10 feet later, but there's a bunch of hair right in front of me on the ground. I'll show it to you guys in a second. I'm still so stoked. I'm on cloud 9 right now. I didn't get to go out hunting last year, or not too much, so I didn't harvest anything last year. This year's been a slow year for my family, and I just put a big old doe on the ground. Unfortunately, I look back, the shot's not on film. I'm sorry about that, but you do see the deer that I shoot. You see him head off into the woods. Right after I shot some more deer that were about to come onto the trail, went down, but I've been seeing this nanny doe all season long, and when she popped out on the trail, I knew she was the one I wanted to shoot. She's an old doe. She's a big doe. I'm just so ecstatic right now. It took me till second Tuesday of rifle season. It's a little bit of a belated birthday gift, but I'm stoked to finally put a deer on the ground this year. First time in over 2 years I've gotten a deer down. So, I'm so stoked. So stoked. Thanks, guys, for being a part of this with me. You guys are what makes Backwoods Sniper Outdoors. I tell you what, I'm just the man behind the camera. You guys keep us together. You guys keep us doing what we're doing. This is as much your deer as it is my deer. No, that doesn't mean I'm sharing any meat. But in all seriousness, guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, liking us on Facebook, for following us, for supporting us, for being with us through our growth spurts, our trials, our errors, our mistakes. We're still young. We got a long ways to go, but every year we keep getting better. We're going to keep giving you more and more content, better content. We're here for you guys. You tell us what you want, and we'll do our best to deliver. Well, guys, I've had a great morning. This is a big, beautiful doe. She's gonna be so good in the freezer. My family needed this meat, and I'm just so lucky to have been able to harvest her this morning. Unbelievably lucky. I truly am blessed to have shot this doe. She came in around 8:15 behind the stand. I just happened to look back. I was watching the one way, expecting them to come from that way, and I just happened to look back, and there she was standing in the trail. And as you can see in the video, when I got the camera ready, the deer weren't too conspicuous, but then once I picked up the gun and started turning myself to shoot, the two little ones kind of freaked out a little bit and went up this way. Mama followed, and they got about 50 yards up into the woods, and I had one little opening, and she happened to stop right in that opening, and I shot and tracked her for about 50 yards or so, and here she laid. I haven't moved her yet, got her all tagged, haven't gutted her, haven't even flipped her to see where I hit her yet. Just a beautiful, beautiful deer. Truly a great morning in the woods. Can't count my lucky stars enough. The killer right up there.
Stoked. The morning started out awful for